In this section, I will guide you through the available options in the display category of the NVIDIA control panel. First, in the Change Resolution section, you can adjust the screen resolution under Resolution. Additionally, you can adjust the refresh rate under Refresh Rate. In my case, since my monitor only supports a maximum refresh rate of 60 Hz, I can only select refresh rate options that are equal to or lower than that. In the Adjust Desktop Color Settings section, you can customize the brightness and contrast of your display. In the Rotate Display section, you can adjust the orientation of your screen. In the View HD CP status, Set up digital audio, and adjust desktop size and position sections, it is recommended to keep the settings at their manufacturer defaults. In the Set up Multiple Displays section, if you are using multiple monitors, you can choose which one will be the primary display and arrange the position of the screens relative to each other. Thank you for watching until the end of the video. If you found today's guide helpful, don't forget to hit like to support the channel and subscribe so you don't miss out on our latest and most exciting videos. If you have any questions related to today's content, feel free to leave a comment below or send us an email at contact.dailyhowto@gmail.com. Thank you so much, and we'll see you in the next video.